So what size tires are these?
Too big?
Just slightly bigger than supposed to be on the Jeep. So Gus Lammy brother loves her Jeep, but this is what we're trying to solve. Because we just bought some brand new overpriced tires. And we are looking to make them last.
I think you can see the line on the line.
Yeah, that's all right. That's supposed to be there. And we got some new brakes.
Yeah, from the rubber.
Yeah, I know, I was kidding. All right. You want to pop that trim off? We'll do it again. Well, guys, we finally made it back. Where we been, Gus? Everywhere. No, we've been in Berryville trying to fix this house. And it's a little bit of a project. As you can see, things have been slightly delayed on the shop. We've been wanting to get back down here, but we haven't been down here probably since the last video, 6 months. I mean, we've been down here a little bit, this and that and the other, but nothing major, no major steps going. We did, I don't know if I showed y'all, we did get the rear brakes done on that and plumbed. It's a little bit better. A couple steps. I can't remember where we left off with you guys on this. Nothing happened in there. But got the steering, got the rear and the master installed. So, Chris's car down Stocker Modified is almost done. Or it is done.
This is our starter button.
It's running, almost ready to go. So we're gonna be making some videos, hopefully going out, helping them test that. Mitch has got I think he put a box on his truck, an ignition box, so we're waiting on him to return so we can get doing some testing on that. It's pretty cold down here right now. Today's a nice day, but we'll try to fill you in with a couple clips where we've been. Hopefully we'll be back. We'll be back soon racing, but right now we've just been trying to build this house, and that's been taking every weekend, every evening, every day. Pretty much just ain't had time. In case y'all was wondering where we've been, this is it. Like I said, this has been a lot of work. A lot more than the cars. Problem is, hard to do both. We'll be back. Send help down. Been a little while. We're coming back. We got me and Pops out here, just filled this 30-yarder in like 3 hours. He's ready to go. We're just getting warmed up though.
I don't know, motherfucker customer don't tell me what I do.
We haven't been able to play with the cars as much, but we're trying to get back. Don't want to miss another racing season. Gus will be... You got it?
Yeah.
So what we're gonna do... Yeah, there we go. We could take that all the way off. That's a lot. So we're trimming this. Somewhere here, 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 and here. And just hammering it back where it's been rubbing. That's a cool wire just floating. That's probably that,
Serious is some.
or no, it might be that tuner. Yeah, it's got the 5.7 with the tuner on it. Gus has been reluctant to sell it. Right, Gus? Or you love it? Hemi, brother.
Can't sell my baby.
Yep. How long we had this Jeep, Gus? So not bad. Just getting rid of that little bit that sticks out when the tires are up when you turn it all the way or a little too much. Not all the way, but this thing's pretty clean though. No rust or nothing. Nothing yet. So we're just gonna shoot some the roll bar paint from the white car on there. Oh, how's them valve covers look? Oh, a little damp. That's Felpro for you. I just did those in the past. I don't know. I guess it's been 6 months. Been a while. I would put those back and decide if we're gonna slap these brakes or not. Oh, quick pro tip. There's an O-ring on these bad boys that I guess seats the rotor for installation or whatever. Ease of installation. Haven't quite seen that one before, but wheels. 21s and 14s on the brakes. So, we left all our power tools at work. Not all of them, majority. And then we don't have any, might have a C-clamp, but we're gonna go the old fashioned way. That's good. Are you recording this? If you leave the wheel unlocked and turn the wheel to face you a little, or turn it away so you can see the back of the caliper, that's highly recommended. But we're lazy. And we like to fight everything we do. Try not to rip it if you want it back on there. There you go. You might need to go get a screwdriver to catch it. That thing is whooping you. Go get a screwdriver and help it.
I got it.
Well, you ain't getting it.
Get out of here. Give it to me.
Oh, easy, easy, easy. If you want to use that O-ring again, don't stretch her out. You got her. That's that O-ring. Hold that rotor on. I ain't never seen that before, but we're running with it. Yeah, almost done brakes. A little bit of body love. We've been meaning to do that for about 2 years. We've had this baby. Yeah, there you go. Can't lose it there. Then we got a lot of other things left on this. But overall, it's in pretty good condition, especially for the area without the rust. We've already had to do a trans, rear main seal, valve covers, power steering pump. We got it with the needing a trans though. So that don't really count because I knew that. $185 I think I paid for the trans used. I paid more for that fluid, I feel like. Still got extra.
Oh, where's my thingy?
I got it.
Oh,
it.
God, dang it.
Yeah. We need to lower it down a little for you.
Yeah,
Or
I
get-
don't know why you made it for
Get you a stool.
But the gloves are too big.
Yeah, that's for sure. So you don't. Normally we would throw this O-ring away, but this is Gus's cheap and she likes to put things back. Or try.
No extra parts, okay?
Well, this would be a parts delete, not extra. We'll be throwing these away because they don't do nothing. Except for hold it while we're about to install.
There.
Push down, yeah. Listen.
Oh, this.
Careful.
What I want to do it with one hand.
Sometimes you gotta.
Obviously.
Nice. Victory. Now, did you break the other one?
Maybe. Just didn't it?
Let me see.
Oh, fudge nuggets.
Right on your stopping power.
I just I should hold it.
Sorry.
Buffalo.
Oh, yeah. It'd be good in no time.
Good.
Don't forget to grease up your pins and all that. We don't have good light here. Our light just died. Oh, easy. Don't throw it. Uh-oh, you're getting serious. Getting serious. About to pop a squat. Yep. So this is where we've been. Not actually in here, though. We've been on the road. Working. It's been hard. But we're almost back. We almost recovered. That white car. We almost got everything we need. We got Gus on the Jeep. She took over. I'm good. I'm going to sit down. Right here. Hang on. I'll help you out. Oh, yeah,
I got it. I just need a little bit.
She don't like help. But yeah, we're coming back soon. This season we got Chris's car. Nathan's car is always running, but he'll be out there too. Maybe me and Matt will get with the program. I don't know though. Getting pretty hungry. Yeah, they're good then. Now turn it like normal and see if it rubs. Oh yeah, dude. Yeah, let me see where. Yeah, it looks like it's just hitting that plastic. Oh, guys, what do we got here? Let's go. Okay, bottle bracket. All right. Hey, he was official. Cam sent our kit back. So, hang tight. We may have been going a little while, but we're about to blow up a few cars with this. All right. There's the Jets, the original Jets. This little fogger, it reaches 200 wild ponies. He got a Cuddaloo blankie. Oh, we got the Jets back. Okay, we got our bottle gate. Yeah, that looks like that's different. I thought I had a different brand, so he might have got his own bottle. I feel like I don't know. That's cool though. We back. What's in here, dude? They're just packing. That's probably just packing. Well, we appreciate that. We're glad to have that back. We finally got down here. Got a little fogger kit. We're gonna start popping that on. Well, first things first. Probably Captain America. Oh, hey, bunny. Captain America. Maybe we'll put it on. We got a Nissan truck out there, 4-wheel drive, stick shift. Probably would do it just right. V6. All right, that's it, man. That's it for the evening. Welcome back. Thanks for hanging around. We're gonna get going. It's been slow and steady. We've been recovering financially from trying to be a professional racer. It only takes like one bad choice and all your money's gone when you're buying ridiculous stuff. So hopefully we can get somewhere and finish this out.